Every detail in Samsung QLED TV has been carefully thought out with your complete experience in mind. Even the setup is extremely simplified. And the gap between the TV and the wall is so small, there's virtually no gap at all. Plus, instead of an unsightly mess of cables, QLED TV has just one invisible connection that even carries power. So your wall stays clean and your devices can stay wherever you want them to stay. Now that your distractions are gone, the gorgeous QLED TV screen is all you see. All this, plus our unique ambient mode that transforms the black screen of a TV into a meaningful lifestyle screen, adds up to a TV that subtly and beautifully harmonizes with your space. A true beauty, on or off. And QLED TV looks beautiful and natural from any angle, even on a stand. Experience our finest TV, designed for you to focus on the picture, not the TV. See nothing else.